Here is step-by-step guide how to reset your ByBit account. So first of all, open up your ByBit application or open this website, and after that go to assets. And now I'm gonna tap on forgot password. And after that type in your mobile number or email. I prefer using email. And tap reset password. Security verification sends the verification code to your email. So now I'm gonna find this verification code on my PC and just type it right here. And after that you can type in your new password and tap reset password. So password successfully changed. Now you can type in it right here. And as you can see, I have with security verification, tap on confirm, and as you can see, I successfully logged in into my account. So that's it. I hope it helps convert this new video or this playlist about ByBit Exchanger.